What's up, y'all? So I've been in the room for a little while, staying down here at the W. When you walk in, that's what it looks like. Got a nice TV, nice L couch, a nice little desk over here for whatever you need to do, some work. Here's a mini fridge down here, and it comes with, you know, stacked with stuff, but you know it's gonna be pricey, so watch what you go for. Bedroom looks good. Nice big bed right here. Nice TV too, and you know this little couch here for whatever. And then you got a nice big window right here. You can look right outside. The city looks good. And then the bathroom, right? The bathroom is really nice. It's weird because like it's just open space, as you can see. You have your toilet right there. You can go in there, you close that door, but once you're in here, you're seeing everything. But you got a nice, you know, tub. Tub is really good, and nice showers, nice and big. I'm going back to the shower here earlier. It was really good. The door don't close all the way, so the floor get wet, but we ain't worried about nothing. And yeah, that's what it looks like in the room at the W. What up, people? Trying our first restaurant, which is gonna be sushi. It does look good. So nice. A reservation for. Look at that bar. That bar is crazy. This spot looks good. Let's hope the food's just as great. Who that? That's just my hot date. Say hey, hot date. Is she cute? Oh my god.
The other side is drinks.
Cheers before you drink it.
Well, I don't want to.
No.
Okay.
Sit it down. You should just slide it.
Okay, we're sliding.
Cheers.
Can I drink it?
Yeah, don't spill it though. Nah, you shouldn't. Yeah, but that shit dirty like. All right, guys, this thing's really good. It's a Grey Goose Martini, extra dirty. So we got calamari. I love trying calamari wherever I go. The best one I had was in Laguna Beach. Yes. And which one was this again?
The soft shell crab.
Soft shell crab.
Yeah.
All right. Appetizers was good. You can look where they brought us. Swimming. Can you sneeze again? You should hear her sneeze, yo. It's hilarious.
Do you like that or no?
They're not that flavorful.
I thought that one was. I agree. I didn't think this one was, but I thought that one was.
Like the one we had in Steamboat compared to this.
The sushi we had in Steamboat and the sushi we had in Laguna. Are you kidding?
So compared,
Even Denver. This would be the lowest of lowest so far.
yeah, that's not cool.
I would have to say, I think Steamboat would probably be number one. Then
Surprisingly, right?
it would go Steamboat, Laguna, Denver.
Yeah.
Because we
Try this unagi. I love that eel roll, so good. Not gonna lie, the sushi here is, but the prices though, it's not hitting,
yeah.
right?
I mean, it's just.
Also, I don't know what the fuck I ordered. It was gonna be hot sake. They brought us a glass of milk. Look at it. Oh god, a glass of
Milk and cookies.
with the milk and cookies. All right, let's see what it tastes like. I got it because it's like pineapple and banana and shit.
Oh, really? I smell it. It smells
Hey guys, I'm back. I meant to tell y'all, man, from where I was, you know, check out that restaurant. I'm not gonna lie, the sushi was not the greatest. I've had really better sushi in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Go figure. But the ambiance in there is amazing. Our server was really good. And yeah, so if you're ever in Austin, Texas, check out, what's that? The Blue Sushi Sakai Grill. That's what it's called. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today for this vlog. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go night night. Don't forget, like, subscribe, become legendary by hitting that subscribe button. Let's become legends together, man. All right, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Just like